If I can get you a raise, you'll quit your math class.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah, but how much is the raise?
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little bit of a different one. We got a couple different things going on. To be honest, I'm not even sure how the day is going to go at this point. Step one, I need to finish up this deck. We have some pickets left to do, and that's about it. Cut the end of the handrail off, and we're done. After this, we're waiting on bolts. We need to go set all of our embeds out at that winery that we're doing. Now, right now, we're waiting on the lumberyard to call and say that they got them. We're hoping they get them today because we need to set them today. They have concrete scheduled for tomorrow. But for now, we're gonna wrap up this deck. So Fox is finishing up all the pickets on that side. The only thing we have left to do is this side here. 27-degree cut on the top, 27-degree cut on the bottom. Nice and simple layout. Less than 4 inches in between each picket. That, my friends, is code. So the way I've been doing these is get one that's pretty damn spot on. From there, use it as a template and cut the rest of them. I tried gang cutting these in the beginning, but right now I'm trying out the scale 6.5, and gang cutting is not doable. So the lumberyard that we use ran out of pickets. We have to make our own. We have a bunch of 2x material here. And it's all the same stuff. We're just gonna rip it down and toss it on up. That table saw rips, man. Love this thing. Link in the description below if you want one. Can we story time for a sec? We hired a guy. He got fired like within, I don't know, 2 days, 3 days working for us. He took all of our form boards from a concrete job we did. They were 20 footers and cut them in half. He said it was easier to carry that way. So instead of having a bunch of usable 20s, we had a bunch of non-usable 10s. Pro tip, never do that. We told the kid, because he really wanted to use the saw. He claimed he was like so ready to be a framer. We'll work you up there, like you gotta wait. And any chance that kid got, he grabbed a saw. Alrighty guys, we are out of here. Off to go set bolts at another project. That winery is going to be such a fun build series. I am stoked. Anyways, Fox wrapped up these pickets today while I cut them. We ended up short on material. The lumberyard had nothing but junk. We had to rip down some 2x10, 2x14 that we had, but we made it work. Let me know what you guys think. This was definitely a little bit of a budget build. The homeowner wasn't looking to spend bank. To be honest, this deck used to wrap all the way around the front of the building, both sides. Looked a lot better in my opinion, but this is what they want. 5x5 landing up top, 12-foot stairs down to a little pad down there. That is it though. We are out of here. Alrighty, it's a little bit after lunch right now. Our bolts never showed up. They were supposed to be here around noon today. Not too stoked on that. We're hoping to have them tomorrow, and if so, we go do it tomorrow. Since it's 1 o'clock already and the day is almost over, we're gonna head over to Season 2's project. It's not too far away. Get some more siding wrapped up. So the lid behind me here couldn't get done. We had to wait until inspection was done. Inspection is through. We can go ahead and lid all this out. The only other part we have to do any siding on is upstairs. We're doing a 2x6 band going all the way up. Siding sits right on top of it. Won't take too long. There's actually not much left.
Bedazzle. Getting high with quick.
So when we're doing lids, the easiest way for me to do them, because I can't wrap my mind around flipping numbers around back and forth, is lay your sheet upside down just like this. That way, when the sheet goes up, it doesn't flip and then go up. It just goes straight up and in. 77 and 7? Yeah. That's a good number right there. Chisel ourselves a little slot. A lot of people commented on the fact that we are using a Ryobi jigsaw for this. Really? Anytime I'm filming and I'm talking to the camera, Fox always responds. It's great. Anyways, we've been using Ryobi jigsaws for doing Hardie for a long time. Hardie destroys tools really quickly. So when it comes to jigsaws, which it burns up pretty quick, paying $40 for a jigsaw compared to paying $150? You tell me. This little thing will last too. The blade we're using right now is actually a Bosch diamond tip as well. I'll have a link in the description below. Works pretty good for this stuff. Any other blade gets chewed up after a couple holes.
Oh, I have a cramp in my right side. Keep on going. Do your thing.
You go to the gym way too much to act like that.
What? I can't get cramps?
Come on, buddy. Do not let go of that sheet.
Yo, Jim, it's gonna be tough.
Exactly.
Slide in. Okay. Are you putting it in? All right.
Baby. Come on. But you're my brother. Kitty, you look good standing there, buddy. So now that we've finished up the lid, we can run this last 4-inch piece of Hardie all the way through, and we are complete down here.
So, be fine?
Send it. Alright, time to move and get the last piece. How much?
Right there.
Send it. I don't get you tomorrow, do I? What day is it tomorrow? Oh! 2 days of Quinn? Does anyone call you Quinn?
Soon to be.
Are you really?
I'm really thinking about it.
If I can get you a raise, will you do it?
I will do it.
If I can get you a raise, you'll quit your math class.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah, but how much is the raise?
That's all we have time for, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Ask any questions you have about building whatsoever. If you want to, smash that subscribe button as well. Click the little bell to the right of it. That will enable post notifications. You will get notified anytime I upload. But we are heading home. Catch you guys next time. Bang on.